The uncrewed cargo Dragon has been making slow and incremental movements towards getting closer to the International Space Station. Now we're seeing it from one of the external cameras as the station.
Houston Station, crew hands off, point, chop.
Copy, hands off.
And we just had chop, and we're under 2 meters away from the International Space Station.
Station Houston on 2 for Dragon. Dragon contact and soft capture complete.
Station copies.
And we have contact at 6:05 a.m. Central Time, 7:05 a.m. Eastern Time. Dragon and the International Space Station were flying above the Ivory Coast of Africa upon contact and capture of the Dragon spacecraft to the International Space Station.